Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So if you want to pair the watch with a phone, first you will need to turn it on, and to turn it on you can press and hold the middle button or place the watch or connect it to a charger. Basically, once you connect it to a charger or press and hold the middle button, the watch will turn on, and after a while it will boot into a system. Like this. Okay. Once you turn on the watch, if it's brand new, you will see the list of languages on the screen. Basically, if it's new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see this page. And you can select the language you like by scrolling through it, tapping on English or whatever you like, my bad. And once you select the language, you will be able to set the PIN code. I'm gonna skip it for now. And after that, you will be able to choose how you want to set up your watch, and you have options like on your phone, on your computer, on your watch. I want to use the phone. I want to pair it with a phone, so I'm going to select on your phone. And now we need to download and install the Polar Flow application. As you can see, the watch entered the pairing mode or sync mode. Basically, you have this animation on the screen. So let's go to the Play Store. Open it, of course. You need to have the internet connection, of course, and Bluetooth enabled for this to work, so make sure about that. And then tap on search, tap on the search bar, type in Polar Flow, and tap on search. And you should see this application, Polar Flow. Install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open, Accept, OK, allow the required permission. This one is required, so allow it. And then you need to sign in, so I'm gonna tap on sign in. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can always make a new one by going back and tapping on create account. But right now I want to sign in. Enter the email address and password. Okay, and after you log in, you will need to set up the profile, then tap on continue. And now, if you don't have any devices connected to your account, you will see this page. But if you don't, you can tap on menu button right here, tap on devices. And then if you have any device on this page, you can tap on the menu icon right here in the top right corner and select and tap on start with a new device. But I don't have any devices connected to my account. And usually you probably won't have either. So if you see this page and your watch is not in the pairing mode anymore, go back to it, tap on your watch. It will re-enter the pairing mode. Oh, my bad. Not on your watch. What am I saying? Let's go back on your phone. It will enter the pairing mode. Like this. And it should be detected by the app almost immediately. And we can tap on start. Allow the required permissions. Tap on pair on your phone. Confirm by pressing the middle button. You can allow or deny the music controls. Basically, if you want to use the watch to control music on your phone, you need to allow some permission. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel. I'm gonna allow it. And here we can change some settings for our watch, like language, preferred wrist, time format, and preferred sleep time. And once you're done, you can tap on continue. But as you can see, we're being obscured by the notification about the location access. So you can allow it. It's gonna bother you to allow it for all the time. So basically you need to tap here, tap on all the time, and then go back, and it won't bother you anymore. But you can also try to ignore it and then tap on save and sync. Here we have the introduction of the watch. So basically a brief tutorial how to use it. I'm gonna skip it. And now you should see the main page of the app. The watch is still syncing, so I'm gonna tap here, tap on devices, and wait until it's done syncing. And once it's done, basically the pairing process should be complete. It looks like it's gonna take a while though, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, it's done. As you can see, it says ready to go. The watch is now ready to use. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.